Going on, guys? Got this website. Don't have to be too long. Just want to let you know, if you guys need, I repeat, if you guys need traffic for YouTube, I'm glad I don't sleep. Excuse me. But if you need traffic for YouTube, I advise you to come join. Take a look at this, guys. Look like a nice site that can help you. They have the formula. That's what they tell me. That's what they tell you. That's what they tell us. So why not come join, guys? The secret, the sauce, the drip. Why not? Don't you need traffic? Don't you need that secret? If you want the secret, guys, come join. I'm showing you everything. How do I get paid? YouTube will pay you directly using your different payout bank account, check, international. Do I need a camera? No. We teach you how to make money without YouTube and passive income. I'll show you videos. So guys, they telling you, man, right here. I gotta go sleep. But they telling you what's going on, guys. You still don't want to join? You still don't want to know the secret, huh? Well, come join the secret. Once you join, it'll be our little secret. There will be any more secret between me and you. So come join.